Hi guys, this is Miki. Today I show you how to set the frequency for the microwave barrier. Let's go. Here you can see the microwave barrier. This is the receiver, transmitter, and keypad. Firstly, we set this barrier main frequency. You can see the menu, the main frequency. Confirm and pay attention to the jumper. The jumper is open. The open is for the main frequency. If you have another pair of macro sensor and you have to set the sensor Altern frequency. So let's go. We choose the Altern frequency. Confirm and put on the jumper. This situation on the transmitter, the jumper, is for the Altern frequency.